In this video, we'll be going over some of the advanced tools within the WYSIWYG. So as you can see, we already have some content in that we can work with. So let's start with how to link to a document. So select the text that you'd like to be made clickable and click on the link icon. And you'll want to select the icon to the right of the link URL field. You'll see a list of documents within your site. And if you don't see your document within the list here, you can upload a document from your computer by clicking Upload, choose File, and finding the document on your computer. Click Upload, and your document will now be added to the list of uploaded files in the center. Once you've found your document and it's highlighted, go ahead and click the Insert File button. Once your URL to your document has been added, you'll want to set the target. If you're linking to an outside website or a document, you should select the Open Link in a New Window option. And this ensures that viewers are not being steered away from your website. Once you've added your URL and set your target, you can go ahead and click Insert. You don't need to worry about the title or class fields. And you'll see that your document link has now been added. To add an image to the page, you can select where you would like the image to show up and select the image icon. Similarly to uploading a file to link to, you would select the icon to the right of the URL field. And if you don't see your image that you'd like to add in this list of files, you can upload a new image from your computer by clicking Upload and choose File. Find the image on your computer and click Upload. Once you've uploaded and found your image in the list of uploaded files and it's highlighted, you can resize it by clicking the Resize button. So I'm going to make my image slightly smaller and give it a width of 200 pixels. And when I click over to the height, you'll see that it's already filled in for me so that the image stays in proportion. Keep in mind that you never want to make an image larger or change the proportion of an image, as this will cause distortion and pixelation. So once you're done adjusting the size, click Resize, and your newly sized image will be added to the list for you. Once it's a good size and it's highlighted, you can go ahead and click Insert File. Once again, the URL will be added in for you. You should add a very short description to describe what your image is of. So we're going to call this placeholder. And you'll want to set the alignment. You'll want to use either left or right. I'm going to set mine to be left. The dimensions are the dimensions that we saw when we resized the image. I'm going to leave it with no border. But I am going to add some horizontal space to allow for some space in between the text and the image. Give it a little breathing room. Let's set that to 10. And click Insert. And you'll see that your image has now been added to the WYSIWYG. You can also upload other media files in this same way by clicking on the media icon on the right. Now that you have your content looking the way that you'd like, make sure that you have a title filled in. I'm going to call this Test Page. And now you're ready to preview your content. This will allow you to view the way that your content looks before you save it. If you're confident that your content is the way that you want it, you can skip the preview and go straight for the save. So let's go ahead and save this page. And now you'll see that your content has been saved and our image has been added and our link to our document has been added. And those are the more advanced tools of the WYSIWYG. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to learn more about your Drupal content management system.